So car boot today. Little Yow padlock, always good, aren't they? Yow padlocks. Pound. A Crescent BF Co NY. He did want £3, but using my wonderful powers of persuasion, I got him down to £2. These ones, I have to clean these to find out what these are, but they're definitely Newark. So we'll give them a clean in a second. Amazingly enough, got one of these for resto the other day. It was quite expensive on eBay. This was £1. Can't believe it. It was £1. When you're not looking, you find it, don't you? Stanley Graphite Hammer, claw hammer. Still got the Stanley on the top there, look. I would say never been used, looking at that. Still got the barcode, £2. Quite happy with that. This is a chain puller, or a fence puller, but you have to look it up on YouTube, see how this works. This one is Australian patent number here, and up here it says Ironside and Son Company. So that was £2, and miraculously enough I bought this on eBay this week. This was £7 with the postage. This is the Monarch automatic lever strainer, exactly the same as this, just a little bit bigger. I'd say this is older as well. So Monarch is from Kilmarnock, and this is from Australia. Going right round the world today. Crescent, and these from America. This from Dagenham. So what shall we start with, people? What shall we start with? Shall we start with the easiest first? Shall we start with these? So these are in fact Crowther Diamond K. It looks like it's just got toolbox rust, what we'll call toolbox rust. You'll know what I mean by that. So they cleaned up absolutely wonderful. Did not take too much work at all. I think we'll move on now to these Crescents. These are hard wire cutters. And these have also cleaned up very nicely. Now you can see the knurling on the handles and a little diamond sign both sides. Now we all love a padlock, especially a shitty looking padlock. Padlocks are just born to be cleaned, aren't they? As are their keys. Alright, sunglasses on. I think this one is worthy of, and we can call that done. On now to, again, we're going to call this a bit of toolbox rust. It's still got the sticker. It has got some gum out. One clean later and it looks like that. I give the handle the quickest clean ever with a spray of WD-40 followed by a wipe with an alcohol wipe. Now I seem to be starting a collection of graphite hammers. Here's my other one, you may remember from an earlier video. I paid £2 for this one, and I think £10 for the other one, maybe 15. £2 for this was a bargain. Well, happy. And crack on with this one. Here's the one me and Resto got off of eBay the other day. I think that's the better one actually, Rob, because it's got the top of the F still on that. That one's missing. So let me know. As long as you're happy, I'll send you the better one instead of the worst one that we bought on eBay. Right, obviously I'm not a magician, I haven't got that much fucking time, I can't get these clean today. So it's just those to look at really, isn't it? Well, I think they all cleaned up absolutely lovely. Quite surprised. I expected to get more from the first car boot of 2021 after lockdown, but didn't get any from the last one I went to, so should be happy really, shouldn't I? Right, that's all for now. Bye.